Same meeting. Same audio file. 2 AI tools. I uploaded a real business call
Hi,
between
James.
Sarah and James into both Descript and Fireflies, and what I found is that these two tools aren't even competing for the same job. One's built to give you meeting notes and action items automatically. The other doesn't do that at all, but it lets you edit video just by deleting text. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one actually fits what you need. Quick note before we start. I'm building a digital AI tools library on this channel, real hands-on tests, no fluff. If that's useful to you, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I already covered Fireflies in full depth, transcription, AI summary, action items, Ask Fred, on this exact meeting recording. I'll show a quick clip here, but the full breakdown is linked in the playlist below if you want the deep dive. Fireflies gave me an automatic summary and action items straight out of the box, no extra clicks. Keep that in mind as we go into Descript. Now let's test the same file in Descript. I'm logging in with Google. This is the Descript dashboard, home, recent projects, workspaces, brand studio, media library, and an AI co-editor called Underlord. I'll start a new video project. I'll name this Sarah and James Test Meeting and upload the exact same audio file I used in Fireflies. While it uploads, Descript shows some quick one-click edits. Studio sound for background noise, auto captions, and fade transitions. I'll skip these for now so we can look at the raw output first. Here's the transcript, but notice, no speakers identified yet. Let's fix that. I'll manually identify the speakers, Sarah, then James. And there we go, both speakers separated correctly, almost entirely accurate. Now here's the feature that actually makes Descript different from every meeting tool: you can edit video by editing text. When I select a line, I get options like correct, regenerate, formatting, and comments. I won't go through all of these, but they're there if you need them. Watch what happens when I delete this line completely. The audio is gone.
Hi, James. I wanted to talk through the website redesign before we get started.
This is a real edit, not just a transcript change. Fireflies simply cannot do this. Under AI tools, Descript detected 1 filler word and 0 word gaps in this recording. Since it was a clean take, there wasn't much to clean up here. Studio Sound handles audio cleanup and enhancement. I'll leave settings at default. There's a long list of other AI tools here too: eye contact correction, green screen, automatic multicam, generate visuals, even draft a YouTube description or thumbnail. I won't demo all of these today, but they exist if you're doing heavier video production. Let's test one more thing. Does Descript summarize meetings like Fireflies does? I clicked Summarize with no custom instructions, and here's what it gave me. That's a genuinely solid summary. Descript can summarize content. But there's no automatic action item extraction, no Ask Fred style search across meetings, and no CRM integration like Fireflies has built specifically for meeting workflows. Descript Summary is a content tool, not a meeting intelligence system. Exporting is simple: download directly, or share a link. Let's confirm the export plays correctly.
Hi, James. I wanted to talk through the website redesign before we get started.
Of course. Happy to be here.
On pricing, Descript's paid plans start at $16 a month billed annually, going up to $50 for the business tier. Fireflies is actually usable for free indefinitely, with unlimited transcription and summaries even on the free plan. Their paid tiers start at $10 a seat per month annually, mainly unlocking video recording, integrations, and AI skills. So here's my honest take. These two tools aren't really competing, they're solving different problems. Fireflies is built for meeting intelligence, automatic summaries, action items, searchable meeting history, and it plugs directly into your CRM or Notion. Descript is built for content creation, transcription is just the entry point into actually editing and repurposing your audio or video. If you need meeting notes and automation, stay with Fireflies, and its free plan already does more of that than Descript's paid plans do. But if you're editing podcasts, YouTube videos, or interviews, Descript's text-based editing is the real reason to use it, not its transcription. For my own workflow, I'd use Fireflies to capture and summarize meetings, and Descript when I'm actually producing content from that recording. Two different tools, two different jobs. Which one do you actually need, meeting notes or video editing? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped, subscribe. I'm building this channel into a full library of honest AI tool tests. See you in the next one.